Do you get order notes by email? Now you can connect Gmail to TotalCtrl and upload order notes automatically. Log in to the TotalCtrl web portal, go to Settings, Manage Integrations, and click Connect to Gmail. Select the Gmail account where you receive supplier order notes. Then, assign each email sender to the correct inventory location. Here is an example. Emails from hello@totalcontrol.no should be placed in kitchen inventory. You can add, remove, or change connections anytime. And that's it! Your Gmail is now connected, and order notes upload automatically. To view your Gmail orders, go to External Orders, open the bottom right drawer, and check the Upload panel. TotalCtrl. Inventory made simple.